I got this motorcycle. It looked like the one that ran from us the other day. So, you know we stopping at Dixon, Sarah and Dixon. You got your ID on you? You ain't see me behind you?
No, I can't stop at the road.
Huh?
I never made no stop at you. I ain't never lied.
Like, oh, let me copy a tag. Why your tag bent?
I get the bike. You know, it's hard on it.
Papa 648. Excuse me 1 second. 859. See if this is the bike that we was in a pursuit of.
Copy that. I'm on your back door. So yeah, Lieutenant just asked me could I meet him to verify if that was the bike that ran from us the other night. And if it is, it's going to be a very bad day for him. Very, very, very bad day.
Yeah, you the only one that drive this car? I mean, that ride this bike?
I let him go sometime.
When did you do it?
I got a friend come from Florida sometime last week. I gave him a ride.
Do you remember that car right there?
When?
3 days ago.
So, we was in a pursuit with this bike.
This bike?
Yeah, that bike. Alright? And it passed. Listen to me for a second. Alright, we have cameras up and down Terra Boulevard. We have cameras in our cars.
Yeah.
And they take pictures of license plates.
Yeah.
So, any reason to take a picture of your license plate during the pursuit?
I don't know. I don't run police. Number one, these were alright slow. Try not to get no speeding tickets, no reckless ride.
But I had a great visual. I'm talking about great visual. You want to know why? I was sitting in the middle of the intersection with my lights on. And as the bike approached, guess what I did? I eased up just a little bit, just so I could see.
And this bike is the one that ran from us the other day. It's the same everything.
That there's cameras all down Tar Boulevard that scan tags.
Oh yeah.
There's cameras in our cars that scan tags. So why was your tag scanned? Running from us.
I don't know, but it's not me.
I don't believe you. I'm just being honest.
It's
I'm being 2,000% honest. I don't believe it.
not me. You can check the camera. Alright. Alright, normal.
Because I got a good visual. I promise you. My visual was so good.
I just looked at the video. This is bike. And you turn your face and look back.
What?
During the pursuit.
No?
No, he said you turn your face.
Turn your face and you look back at us in the pursuit the other night.
I don't know about that.
I recognized this bike from the pursuit that we had the other night. Spotted him driving down the street, went back and looked at the video, and they said it's going to be the bike. He lived off of the exact same street that the bike turned off of. Tonight, his bike is going to be impounded. He don't have a motorcycle license, so you got to take it for that. You got to take it for improper display of his tag and something underneath.
You're going to get 2 citations, and your bike is going to get towed.
What? For a reason.
The pursuit.
What's the pursuit?
The pursuit. Last week, 3 days ago, we just talked about out there. You don't remember?
No, it's not me. I'm going to go to church. I don't tell lies.
I go to church too. I go to church every Sunday. I'm glad you brought that up. I go to church every Sunday. Every Sunday. You can come to church with me, but you're going to get those 2 tickets. And church start at 9:30. You can sign right there.